Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get a Whiteout Survival hack for iOS and Android. So let me just open it up right here, and as you can see, I am not that rich. But in the mod menu, we can actually enable unlimited gems, right? So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on just to show you guys that it actually works, because a lot of people are obviously not going to believe that this is real, but it is real. So let me just show you guys right here. I'm just going to turn on unlimited gems. Hopefully, if I can ever make this stupid thing work. And let's see if they go up. So they're not going up. And bang, guys, there they go. So I'm going to show you guys how to get this Whiteout Survival hack for iOS and Android. Super cool, guys. Totally works. So as you can see, they're increasing to the moon. So let's get into the video. So the first step is going to be going into the browser. And we're going to go onto a new tab. And we're going to type zoomods.com. Okay, so this is the website, zoomods.com. Okay, so when you're in this site, what you want to do is just go on the search and type Whiteout Survival. So pressing the download button. So I do want to let you guys know that before it downloads, there is going to be a verification you got to do. This is the last step. Basically, it's just download 2 apps, follow instructions, 100% for free from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load, as you can see. So I'm just going to give it a second to load up. So it shouldn't take that long. So let's just give it a second for this to load. All right, so it's bringing us to that next step, which is the verification. So as you can see, it says missing files. So basically, we need to download 2 of these apps, complete the instructions. They're all free. They're from official store. There's a video to watch if you're confused. But yeah, you can see Travel Town says reach level 9. So just press continue, takes you to the app store, download it, reach level 9. So yeah, I could just do this one. Or I could do like, TikTok, down and run for 30 seconds. So yeah, there's lots of them. It really doesn't matter what you do, honestly. Just make sure you download 2 of the apps. You're going to be all good to go. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, this is super cool, guys. So that's how I get the Whiteout Survival hack. So yeah, just download 2 of the apps.